Hi, this video is about the Nova Star Rolling Walker line. So this line allows you to custom fit your walker to your size, so you get that perfect fit. Also, you can customize it with wheel size and with color. So with the Star, we have two different models. We have the Star with the 6-inch wheel, and we have the Star with the 8-inch wheel. And both models come in standard height, so that's approximately 5'5" to 6'2", and also a petite version that goes from about 4'10" to 5'5". And so in this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy assembly, how to get that perfect fit, and then the great features and benefits. It is so easy to assemble the Star. And it also makes the Star really great for travel and for compact spaces, because as easy it is to assemble, you can disassemble it and you can store and travel with it. So when you get the Star out of the box, you're going to have the frame, two front wheels, the back wheels with the handbrakes attached, and the backrest. So the first thing you're going to do is release the lock and lift pin. I'll show you the feature of that later. So you're just going to see a pin on the right side of the frame with a key ring. Go ahead and pull that all the way out. And then you can just attach it to the holder right here. So now I can open up the frame. So when you open up the frame, I suggest starting out with the Nova logo that's on the bag facing you so you can see it. And then to open up the frame, you're going to see these crossbars here. Go ahead and pull them down and make sure they're locked in place. That makes the wheels much easier for putting on. All right, let's start with the front wheels. So everything comes together with these push buttons. So you're going to insert, push the button, and it's going to lock into place. And same thing for the other side. All right, now you're going to turn the frame over. So for the back wheels and the brakes, you will see a sticker for the right and for the left. So I have the right here, and I like to line it up to have the brakes up here and the wheel back here, and then the same with the left. So you'll also see here is marked right. So what you're going to want is you're going to want the sticker facing inside, so that way the brake shoe faces outside. And same thing, you're going to insert, push both of the push buttons, and it'll lock into place. And then you're going to insert the cable into this holder right here. All right? And then same with the other side. Sticker facing inward, give it a push, push, and it will lock into place, and then insert the cable. All right, now go ahead and stand up the walker. And now I just insert the handles. Same thing, push the button. And then the last part is just installing the backrest. So you're going to push down the inserts, make sure the buttons are facing upward, insert the backrest, give those push buttons a little push, and it just snaps into place. There you go. That is the quick and easy assembly of the Star. The feature that I love about the Star is that you can customize it so it fits perfectly for you. You can adjust the handle height and the seat height to get that perfect feel and fit for your body. So I'm about 5'4"-ish, so I'm going to lower the seat height and the handle height to get that perfect fit for me. So to lower the seat height, you're going to lower all 4 legs to exact same height. So I'm going to lower the seat height by 2 notches. So to do this, you're just going to push the button, and I'm going to insert it up 2 notches. And it's really important that you make sure that all 4 legs are the exact same height so you have that perfect stability. All right, now that I've lowered the seat height, I'm going to lower my handle height. So what I recommend is having the handle adjusted to about your wrist. That way when you're walking with good posture, you have about a 30-degree angle. So these handles are a little bit too high for me. So I'm going to lower them a few notches. All right, that feels just about right. So now I've got a walker that is sized perfectly for me. So now this is a good time for me to show you the great features of the Star. So the Star not only has the perfect fit now for me, but it has the best Nova features. Starting with the Nova brakes. These are our feather touch brakes that are so comfortable with this comfort molded grip, and they're so easy to use. So to control the speed, you just pull up on the brakes, and that controls your speed and stability. And these brakes also parked in a locked position. And to do that, you simply push down on the handle, and now your walker is in a parked position. And it's in this position that you want to use the seat. So we've got a very comfortable padded seat, and now that the walker is parked, I can sit down, and also a very comfortable backrest. So you'll notice that with the lower seat height, this is a great seat height that's very comfortable for me. And you always want to make sure the brakes are in a parked position the entire time you're seated and no scooting. All right, with the brakes parked, I can get up, and then when I'm ready to go, release the brakes, and I'm ready to roll. All right, so the Star also comes with that flip-up padded backrest, and also I love this curb pedal. It's right by the wheel, so if you've got a small bump ahead, you can push up on this curb pedal, and it just helps getting the walker up over that curb a little bit easier. All right, now I'm going to show you the storage and also how to fold. So when you lift up the seat, you'll see a great under the seat pouch for storage. It even has a small pocket for your cell phone and your keys. All right, to fold your Star and to keep it folded, which is a great feature. So the first thing you're going to do is to lock the brakes. Now I'm going to show you that lock and lift pin. This is our patent pending feature that keeps it in a folded position. So you're going to see a handle here. Go up and pull up with the handle, and you're going to kind of guide the front wheels towards the back wheels so it's in a standard position. And then you're going to release that pin, and then you're going to insert it all the way through the hole. And now I can pick up my Star, and it's in a locked, folded position, get it in and out of the car, and that makes it so much easier. So then I get it out of the storage position, and it also can stand on its own. And then now I can release the pin, put it back in its holder, and then to open it up, squeeze the brakes, and then push outward. All right? Such a great feature. And you'll also notice under the seat we have a little pouch here, and that has your care, use, and warranty information and how to contact us anytime. All right, that is the Star. You are going to love it.